Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I'm getting a really short haul. I have just few items to share. These are just some items, jewelry items that I had got from Macys that I have not used yet, and they're still in the boxes. That's why I'm doing the haul. Otherwise, I think I have a lot of jewelry that I have not kind of showed you guys, from Macys or JCPenney and all that I start using. But these are some that I got that during like this, I think I got it during like just before the New Year time, during the holidays, that time, some stuff that were on clearance, and I wanted to share these with you guys before I kind of open them up. So let me show you guys the first item. So there's like my bag, so it's just few items actually. So the first item here I'm going to show you guys is a earring, and it's just this gold plated earrings, and this was originally $24.60, just some hoops. So it was $24.60 and it was on sale for like 71% off. Is that 70 or 71? 70% off, and the final sale was $7.16. So I got it for $7.16, which was like a good price. And the reason I got this design is actually for this set that I'm wearing. This set here that I'm wearing. Again, I don't remember where I got this set. I thought like I got it from Express, but I hadn't got it from Express because it doesn't have that Express thing on the back. So I probably got it from Macys or JCPenney, either of those places. And this is one of my, like, it's a real old necklace, but I really love it. And it has this, let me show you guys. As you can see, I'm wearing like a top with like silver stuff on it, but it's still going with it, even though this is silver and this is gold, because it has like this silver and gold together. So this ring here, this has like this kind of like that silvery, right? But then here it's gold, then again it is like silver color, so it's kind of mixed, so you can wear it with a lot of stuff. So that's what I had liked. So the ring that had come with this was this very pretty simple ring, right? It's this gold color, gold plated, and it is just like a tiny, like, ring. So it's not like big or something. So sometimes when I'm wearing like my Indian outfits, I want like something like big. So that's why for something to match with this, that's the reason I got this, because the shape is kind of similar. It has that round ring shapes, circles, so it'll kind of go with this circles here. So that's why I thought like, okay, let me get it. So that way, then gold is going to be more prominent. So when I wear with like, I could wear it with my Indian outfits too. So that's the reason I picked this one. So this was $7.16, which was really good. So this was on sale. The second one is this ring. This is really pretty, and because that's silvery color, and it is this hoop, I mean like this half hoops, right? And it is like the beads that are there here, they are kind of this dark blush color, and then like pinkish, and then light pink, and then white. So there are three kind of colors in that hoops there. So three kind of color beads, right? The reason I got this one again, because I got all this to match, because sometimes I'm wearing this, some of the sets, they don't have good earrings to go along with. So that's the reason I wanted to get it, because whenever I'm wearing this kind of stuff, I'm like, oh, this doesn't match, and I try to pick something else. So that's why this one, I'll show you why I got this one to match with which necklace. But this was originally $29.50, which here also it says $29.50, and then it was on sale for $8.76. So like 70% off, $8.76. It's written right here. So that was like a really good price. So I got it. Yeah, it was originally 2950. So so now I'll show you the necklace that I got, and this necklace you already seen. This is a necklace from Express that I had showed you guys in my Express jewelry haul. So this necklace, if you see, it has these beads here. So it has exactly like that. It has this dark blush color, and then it has this kind of pink color, light pink kind of color. What is this? Oh, sorry, that was my hair. So in order to match with this, I got this, because this came with the studs, right? I showed you guys those also in that. So that this came along with these studs, which are this pinkish kind of studs. So I wanted something little bigger also, like to have a different option, like for some other outfit I would, if I want to wear like a bigger earring. So that's the reason I got this, and this is going to match perfectly because the beads are like very similar color to this. So it's going to match. So that's the reason I got that. So that was my second earring, and then the third one. Oh, now I don't have earrings. Oh, also this, also I wanted to show this necklace. This is actually, this also I've showed you in my Target haul probably, or in some video that I told that I bought this from Target. So this one also matches with this, right? So I can wear, I can mix match and wear this stuff. But although this is a little bit rose gold color, but it matches with this. So this is not from Macys, this is from Target. And I had showed this in a previous one. I just wanted to show that, you know, it goes with all this. Next here, I'm going to show our two rings. One is gold color, and the other one is like a silver one. And now if you see, like I'm wearing all these, right? These are all from like the shop Misa, the Misa store. So I don't know if I wear something, you will even know that I'm wearing an expensive one or I'm wearing like $1 one. You will not know at all because they kind of look similar. Although because I wear it, I know the wear and tear, that, you know, easily the color and all, it goes off, you know, in the back here when you wear like, you know, the dollar ones. But the good quality ones, they do stay for long. So this one is from the Charter Club brand. So I mean, it is from Macys, but it's the Charter Club brand, and this was $8.16. The original price was $27.50, and I'll show you what it is. It's a finger rings, and this was $27.50, and it is the Charter Club's, what is it called, cubic zirconia. Really pretty. So it was originally $27.50, but this was on sale for $8.16. So all these were on sale, like 70% of sale. So that's the reason I got them. So this is really pretty. It's a cubic zirconia size 5. So it's a little better quality one. And let me show you guys, because I removed that thing that was like attached to it. See how beautiful it is. Now I've showed a very similar ring to this from the shop Miss A store, right? I should have actually got that upstairs. But you can see the quality difference. This is like really like that zirconia, whatever, you know, stuff. So it's really good. Let me wear it actually. And I got the one on sale was only size 5. I'm usually like size 6 if I have to wear it in my this finger, or even sometimes I can wear here also if it is size 6 or a little bigger, than I wear it in this finger. In this finger I usually don't wear that much because I don't know why, I just get irritated when I wear in the ring finger. So but this fits correctly for my ring finger. So this is, I guess because it was on sale, even though for ring finger I just really bought it, but really beautiful. It's just plain in the back, and it has these stones. Let me show you the close-up. So it has the two bands. It has two bands behind it, and a big stone and two bands, and two bands. God, I don't know how to show them. and then it has stones on the side. You can see all the way till here, like halfway it goes, the stones on this side, and there's tiny stones on the other side. So really pretty ring. So that, and a big stone in the middle. I mean, they still are like good quality stones, so that's good. Hold on, actually on the side, yeah, there are stones. They're very tiny. Okay, so that is the one. So it's a cubic zirconia from Charter Club. Next one, guys, is again another ring, and this is really pretty. I haven't removed this yet actually. Again from Charter Club, and it was the same price. It was 27. They all came in these boxes, so it was 27.50, and on sale it was 8.60. Right there, the sale price is right there, 8.16. So let me show you guys this one. This is also cubic zirconia, Charter Club, and then this is how that came also. This has two rings in it, so it has a band and then like a ring. It's gold plated, and it has this big, really pretty design, because look at that. It has this big stone, and then around it has tiny stones, and then on the side also it has stones. And the band, no, the side, yeah, it has really tiny like stones, and even the band also has stones on it. So really pretty. And I haven't still removed, I need to remove this thing. I haven't removed that yet. Again, also this also was size 5. There were a lot of size 5s, and because they were on sale, I was like, okay, at least, you know, it'll fit my ring finger, so I got them. So it's really pretty. So this is in that gold color. Pretty, right? I know. So even though you go and get like from $1, if you get from $1 place also, you're not going to be satisfied. You still, you know, want to feel that quality when you go and see something like, you know, it looks good quality. You're like, okay, you want to get it. So that's it, guys. This was really short haul, because a lot of jewelry I've already used, and sometimes I don't remember from where I got them. So the things that I remember, those are the like ones that I'm trying to like do videos to show you guys in parts, like all my jewelry items. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And sometimes I guess people do watch and don't subscribe, so please don't do that. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, and thank you so much if you watched the whole video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Love you all. Bye, guys.